Hello everyone and welcome to Simply Scrapbooked. A lot of you have been asking about how should I store my supplies and keep them organized so that when I'm scrapbooking I can find what I'm looking for and really see what my options are. This is the Creative Memories Sort and Stash Binder. Now, if you remember the old days, we had the accessory binder, and when you filled it up with all the pages, yes, you could hold 1,000 pages in there, but it was so heavy. This one is very lightweight, has a little handle on the side, and I have mine overstuffed, if I'm honest with you. So let's take a look at what's inside. First of all, it has a zipper closure. Very simple to undo. And here's the inside where the magic happens. There is a little pocket on the side. I don't have anything over here right now. And on this first style of page, there are 4 pockets going horizontally down the page. Now in this, I have my pre-made borders that I've done at different classes, ready for using. And then we start into my supplies. So I've got my laser borders. You know I love a laser border. And so what I do is I cut the little top part off that tells me the title of the collection, and then I put the borders down the page. Spiced Plum borders. And then they go down like this. This is the Emerald Gemstone collection. And they continue on, and sometimes the little things get stuck behind, but this is Wide Open Places. This is another one. Here's some spots for future laser borders. And look, I haven't used them all yet. Is that incredible? Now, after those, we have these pages that are 4 on a page. I use these for my embellishments. So I have all of my little word embellishments here. And again, I've cut the top off the packaging and put it in here so that if I run out, I know what package I need to try to find. So then we have pages of embellishments, even a stack of old CM stickers. We have all of my extra bling from different packages. I put that all in one spot because it's easy to find. And even some stickers from the old CM that are little titles. And there's more, and again, I have room for expansion. Now back here is the sticker section. These have 2 columns on them, and they're just the perfect size to fit our new sticker sheets. And so in this, I have them kind of grouped by subject. Like we had a whole bunch of outdoorsy nature type stickers that came out at one time. And so I have all of those in one pocket just to save me a little space. And then they go through. Got some Valentine's, some spring, some Croptoberfest, snow and Christmas. And I've even got a spot here for all of my 12-inch stickers. Can you see that? There we go, 12-inch stickers. And then this last type of page, this one is actually a solid page. So you could put full sheets of paper in here. But I needed more sticker space, and I just decided to use it for the last of my sticker space. Now, I will tell you, this is about all you can put in one sort and stash binder. But this is all my decorative supplies. And so I love it. It's lightweight, it's easy, it's not very expensive at all, and it's just the greatest thing for me to use when I'm scrapbooking. See you next time on Simply Scrapbooked.